So, your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus won't turn on. Maybe your iPhone 7 suddenly turned off and won't turn back on. The screen is black and unresponsive even when you press the power button. Perhaps when you turn on your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, it becomes stuck. It just shows Apple logo and won't power on at all. In some cases, your iPhone 7 doesn't turn on even after charging all night, or it isn't turning on or charging at all. Relax, we'll show you what to do if your iPhone 7 won't turn on at all. The reason why you can't turn on iPhone 7 can be the software glitch, dead battery, the charging issue, and hardware problems like the cracked screen. Let's start with an easy fix. Force restart your iPhone 7. It can fix some minor bugs that could cause your iPhone 7 not to turn on. All you need to do is press and hold down both the side button and the volume button. Okay, let's do it. Hold down both the side button and the volume down button. Reset assured that this won't delete anything from your iPhone 7. Just keep holding the button until the black screen boots up and you see the Apple logo. It means that it's booting up. Just give it a few seconds to boot up. Now, your iPhone 7 is turning on. If your iPhone 7 doesn't power on and you still see nothing but black on the screen, perhaps the battery is completely drained. Plug your iPhone into the power source and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. If your iPhone 7 is completely dead and won't switch on, you might need to charge it for up to an hour. If your black iPhone 7 that won't turn on comes up with a red battery icon, it means that the battery has drained completely and all you need to do is just to let it charge until it restarts and boots up. If your phone still doesn't turn on, check out if the charging cable and the charger are fine and make sure you're not turning on iPhone 7 is attached to a wall power outlet. Also, clean the charging port and let it be free of any debris. When everything is fine, keep your iPhone 7 plugged into the power, while holding down both side button and volume down together again to force your iPhone 7 to turn on. If your device still won't power on or charge after hard reset along with a black screen, or it just won't turn on past the Apple logo, consider putting it into recovery mode to do an update to fix the corrupted system. Plug your iPhone 7 to a computer and open iTunes or Finder. Then, press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding even when you see the Apple logo screen. Now, release the button when you see the recovery mode screen, a cable pointing to a computer. Now, you'll get the option to restore or update your iPhone 7. Just select Update, and iTunes or Finder will then download and install the healthy iOS software into your device. If the screen still doesn't turn on and continues to stay black, repeat the steps above and choose Restore. Note that this will erase everything on your phone, so be sure that you've got backup before proceeding. Normally, if the software is at fault, your iPhone 7 should turn back on after the reset. If not, it could be a hardware issue. You'll need to take your iPhone 7 to your closest Apple retail store for evaluation, especially if it won't turn on after screen replacement, battery replacement, being dropped down, or the screen being cracked or scratched. That's it. Hope this video can help you guys fix your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus that won't turn on. If it does, give a like to this video and subscribe it further. Your support means a lot to us to keep uploading more useful content like this. Also, feel free to comment below if you have any question. See you guys in the next video.